Hello, welcome back to my messy kitchen. I am making some bad boy mussels. Over here I got some oil. Just pour it in, just a little bit, not too much. And then here I have some bad boy pancetta. Pop that bad boy in. Pop it in. Oh yeah. Okay, give it a stir. Okay. So look at that bad boy. Let them color. At the meantime, I'm gonna chop up some garlic. And then some bad boy shallots. Hello. Hello friend. First let me chop up some garlic. Trim the ends. Same thing for this bad boy. Hold on, let me trim this bad boy. What a mess. There you go. Tear off the outer layers. Bye bye, bye bye. Come on, chop chop. Chop chop. Here we go. Chop chop. Okay. Give them a bash. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then peel it off. Peel it off. Peel that bad boy off. Okay. Now chop this bad boy up. Trim the ends. Trim the ends. Ooh. Just roughly slice them up. Okay, give that bad boy a stir. Come on, stir that bad boy. Then off you go, bad boy. In you go. Over here I have some chilies, bird eye chilies. I like it spicy, so let's go with 2 of this bad boy. Probably not enough. I'm keeping the seeds in because, you know, I like seeds. Just slice them up. Roughly. On the same direction. Okay. Put it on the side for now. Next thing is the bad boy tomatoes. I got some cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna put all of them in. Like, why not? Again, give this bad boy a stir. Come on, stir bad boy, come on. Yeah, come on, yeah. Okay, slice this bad boy cherry tomatoes up. Boom, boom, boom. Off you go, bad boy, come on. Give that bad boy a stir. And now let's go with chilies. It's gonna be very spicy, why not? Give that bad boy a stir. Over here I have some flat leaf parsley. Check that bad boy out. Boom. Here I have quite a lot of stalks. So usually you wouldn't use any of the stalk in your pot. But I like to reuse, reduce, recycle. I'm a man of environment. So I'm gonna take the stalks up, bundle them together, keep the leaves aside. Yeah, roughly. Yeah, all these are stalks. So I'm just gonna roughly chop them. Finely. Wait, I just said roughly chop them and then I say finely. Just contradicted myself over there. Woohoo! Anyway, off you go. Come on, bad boy. And then give this bad boy a stir. Now bring up temperature a little bit more. Here got some thyme. We've got thyme. Always add thyme. Just a few stalks will do. Like that much. Yeah, that'd be good. Okay. Over here, I got some salt and pepper. Add some pepper in that bad boy. A little bit of salt, not too much, because the mussels will be quite salty. Okay. Give that bad boy a stir. Okay, I'm gonna bring up temperature a little bit more. Here I have some Badboy Mussels. Got it from Sainsbury's. Pop that in. Just pop it in. Ooh, let's not make a mess. Yeah, give it a stir. And then here I have some white wine. So pour it in. Be generous with this bad boy. Roughly, you know, a glass of wine. I think that's about a glass. Yeah, should be alright. Get your lid. Get your lid. Keep the temperature high. Now you wanna shut it tight and let it steam. In the meantime, let me clean up my workstation. It is a complete mess. So clean this bad boy up. Clean this bad boy up. Bad boy up. Oh, I forgot about my time. Ooh, off you go. Yeah, just, you know, casually pop that in. Why not? Oh, random strand. There you go. Give it a stir. Quick stir. Stir that bad boy up. Then shut it up. Close the lid. Let me pick my bin, my rubbish on the floor. Okay, here I have some parsley. It's a mess, but I'm gonna chop it up. But before I do that, let me cook my mussels. This should probably take about 3 minutes, maybe. I don't know. Just let it boil, let it steam. You want your mussels to cook. You don't want to die. So I'm not gonna add too much salt because I'm cutting down on salt intake. But I'm gonna add some more pepper. Okay, so I forgot to time my mussels, so I'm just gonna guess. But for now, I'm just gonna slice this bad boy up. Okay, we got the parsley already. Here I have a big block of butter. So I'm just gonna add butter to finish it off. Let it steam. Be patient, let it steam. You know, it's like a little boy. Gotta let it chill. You know, it's a bad little boy. You know. Oh, look at that bad boy. Oh, look at that. Ooh, whoosh, whoosh. Okay. Okay, yeah, I think it's almost done. The next thing I'm gonna do is add my parsley. Yeah, I'm gonna add it now. Keep the temperature high. You want it to reduce. You want the sauce to reduce. It's a wine sauce, you know. It's a delicious wine sauce. And I got some cherry tomatoes. Look at that bad boy. Ooh, look at that juice. Ooh. And then I'm gonna chop up the butter. Yeah, be a little bit generous with the butter. You know, just let it melt. Okay, in the meantime, I'm gonna clean up my workstation. It is a mess. I'm gonna add more pepper as well to finish it off. The rest, they are all. So my GoPro died, so I have to record this on my phone. So yeah,
unfortunately this is the case. So look at this. Can you see this bad boy? And then let's do some taste tests. Look at that mini pancetta over there. By the way, I'm eating on my desk because I have to work. I'm working late, people. Rare scene. Look at that. Look at bad boy sauce and whatever that is. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye bye.